Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. I'm so excited and happy to talk about this skincare kit, which is basically meant for your underarms, and this is from the brand Sanfi. Now, Sanfi is quite a well-known brand, and this brand mostly makes products for intimate hygiene, for personal grooming, and for daily hygiene. So basically, this brand covers every possible need of a woman. I have to go out today somewhere, and I have to wear a sleeveless top, and mostly, if you have noticed in my videos, I wear sleeveless. So it is very important to take care of your underarms and also to make your underarms presentable if you are wearing something which is sleeveless. And here comes this kit to our rescue. Now we all have heard about skincare kit, facial kit and body kit, but never ever anybody must have focused to take care of our underarms, which is equally important, I guess. A lot of women, they face a lot of issues when it comes to underarms. Like some women have dark underarms, some have sweaty or stinky kind of underarms, so it can get embarrassing at some point of time. So let's just take that embarrassment out of you. Most importantly, this will help in removing pigmentation, like the black, some women have dark black underarms. It will take care of that. I have been personally using this kit since I think 4 to 5 days, or I think a week, I guess. Yeah, and I can noticeably see a difference in the tone and texture of my underarms. This makes me feel very confident. Also, this will give me the confidence to wear sleeveless more, I guess. Let's talk about these products one by one. I'll be showing you the products as well as giving you a demo. So there are 4 products, so let's talk about this one by one. So this is the first product, and this is the Sanfi Underarm Depigmentation Serum, and this 100 ml of product retails for 799 rupees. This is a glass bottle. This has sea grape and green seaweed, and this also has 99.9% silver flakes, which is so beautiful. I'll show you. Claims to instantly brighten your underarm, deep moisturizing, and a silky smooth skin. Basically, this serum will help in removing any kind of spots or pigmentation you have in your underarms, and also this will soothe your skin as this has natural pH. So you have to clean and dry your underarm, and then you have to take a generous amount and just massage it on your underarm for good 20 seconds and then just leave it. So let's try this. This has an amazing fragrance, first of all. Okay, so this is the quantity I'll take. Like this. You have to just massage. It smells so good. This doesn't burn at all. So this is how you're supposed to use this, and then you can just leave it as it is, because this is not feeling sticky at all. So you can leave it as it, and this will work, and this will kind of depigment your underarm and will make it fair. You have to use this continuously for like 5 to 6 weeks to see the promising results. And fragrance is so good. This smells like a flower, I guess. This smells so good and so refreshing. So I think this is really good. So this is the second product, and this is the Sanfi Underarm Detox Exfoliator. You see, we have exfoliators, we have scrubs for underarms as well. 50 grams of product retails for 699 rupees. This has Dead Sea Mud and Blue Sea Kale. I don't know, I'm feeling so exotic while talking about these products. This will deeply cleanse, exfoliate and nourish your underarm. This has a lot of phytonutrients and vitamins which will help in nourishing your underarms, and also this will help in depigmenting your underarm. And basically the main aim is that this will exfoliate your underarm by removing the dead skin cells. You have to use this thrice a week for best results. Okay, so upon opening, this is how we have it. Oh, this smells like this has a very citrus kind of a fragrance. Like first whiff, I could I felt like this smells like orange. So let's take a little quantity. I'm feeling so awkward, like showcasing my underarm skincare on camera. Okay, so just take a little dab it and just exfoliate. The exfoliating granules are very nice and very small, so you won't feel this uncomfortable. You have to clean it with cold water. So I'll just do the underarm as well. It is winters, so most women, they kind of ignore their underarms and they're like sweaters, and we are wearing sweaters, we have to wear full sleeve tops, so what's the use of using these products? But if winters are here, so summers will also come, right? So it is better you start taking care of your underarms while it's winters. then while it be summers, your underarm will be glowing like diamond. Everybody will ask you, क्या किया, कैसे किया? I guess so. It's very important, and I really don't understand this concept. Like, if it is winters, if our hands are covered, why do we need to wax? Why do we need to shave? Arey, you are doing it for yourself. You are not shaving or waxing to show it to the world. You're doing it for yourself. Why can't you shave yourself during winters? Yeah, I don't understand this concept at all. Grooming is something which is not seasonal. Everybody should groom themselves despite any weather. Okay, so now I have to let it dry for a few minutes and then I'll wash it off with cold water. So I'll meet you after washing this off. So I have washed my underarms, as you can see, and this smells so good. This smells so refreshing, guys. I mean, this is an amazing product and you have to try it to believe me, because exfoliating your underarm is some another kind of joy. I mean, we generally don't do that, I suppose. So this is a very good product and feels, you don't feel any kind of irritation or anything. It just feels very nice and soothing. So this is the third product, and this is the Sanfi Underarm Antiperspirant Deo Cream. Now, we all have tried deodorants like sprays on our underarms. We all try that. We all use that. So this is the first time I am seeing a cream which is a deo cream. This has sea aster and sea algae, and the 60 grams of product retails for 449 rupees. So this claims to increase glow, controls odor, and reduces sweat. This also helps in brightening your skin tone of your underarm. All these products are paraben and mineral oil free. You have to take a generous amount and then you have to gently massage it on your skin and you're ready to go. You don't have to wipe it, you don't have to wash it, you have to apply it and just you have to get ready. So this is how the cream looks like. This is a little blue in color. I don't know, I don't think it will be visible on camera, but this is a little blue in color. Again, a nice fruity, citrusy kind of a fragrance. To apply it like this, you have to massage it. Feeling so relaxed today because of all this, underarm skincare. It is making me so relaxed. Yeah, so I am done with it. Although this is a cream, but this doesn't feel sticky at all. This feels very nice and light. Okay, this is the fourth product, and this is the Sanfi Underarm No Mess Razor. This is a set of 5 razors, and these 5 razors retail for 499 rupees. And this says this has sea daffodil. This is how the razor looks like. This is quite a unique shape. It also comes with a lid, a small lid which you can use like this. You have to keep it like this. So these are the 4 products. This is like an underarm skincare kit, and these are the 4 products which you can use to get brighter, even toned, glowing underarms. And underarms is a very underrated topic. Nobody really talks about it, but it is very important to take care of your underarms before it goes out of hand. Otherwise it will take a lot of time and effort to correct it later on. The quantity is quite good and this will go a long way, so I think you can invest in these products. And self-care is very important. It is very important to take care of yourself, your well-being, your skin, everything. You should take care of yourself. Nobody else is going to take care of you. So take care of yourself and use these products. Indulge, pamper yourself with the goodness of sea algae, blue kale, and I don't know what all this has. I mean, this is an amazing buy, I must say. So yeah, invest in this. Click the link in the description box. I'm again repeating myself. So yeah, click the link, and that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.